Ready? Okay, let's tighten up all these screws here.
Already did.
All right. Tighten up this one again. Let me see you do it. Yeah, all of them, man. Let me see you do it. Let me do it again for me. Check it for me with the closed end, because I know you use the open end wrench, right? Yeah, you was using open. Do it with the closed for me. What's wrong? Why is it spinning? Wait a minute. You told me it was tight. Why is it spinning? Huh? Do you need the screwdriver to hold the other side? You sure?
Yes.
Okay, sir. All right. Well, let's tighten that thing up then. Let me see. Go ahead. Keep spinning. Yeah, okay. I mean, because you told me you tightened it up, and I see it loose. Well, let's check the other ones. All right. That's good. All right, that's good. Don't break it now. Look, hold this. Hold this when you're doing that. Hold this. All right, we're not trying to break it. All right. All right. Tighten these up here too. These and this. Okay? Use your closed end. Use your closed. Very good. Make sure you have it on there good now, son. Listen, look, make sure it's all the way on before you do that. There you go. Do you need a screwdriver for that one? Okay. This is how people get hurt. They use that open end. You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna hurt your knuckles. Use that closed end. When you tighten it up, use that closed end. You'll hurt your knuckles, son. Be obedient. Use that closed end. There you go. You don't want to hurt your knuckles. You're gonna find out one day if you don't listen to me. You'll bust your knuckle with that open end. No, put it on top. You had it right. Just make sure it's all the way on there. Listen, slow down. Look, come over this way. There you go. Slow down. You don't have to go so fast. Let me see that, man. All right. Let me check it out. Okay, get the other side. Get this side. There you go. Use your clothes in, son.
I can't.
You can't get in there?
No.
Try it. Try it again. Move your tire out of the way. Move the tire and get in there with that clay. You go. You in there. What you say you can't do, you can do. Go. Slow down your pace. Be methodical. There you go. Like you got to be in such a hurry. You end up injuring yourself trying to be so fast. It's unnecessary. Figure out which way it tightens it up now. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Nope, go again. That was too loose, son. Use your closed end. Use your closed end, please. You can get off that now. You can get off of that. Thank you. I don't want that bent up.
It's already bent anyway.
I don't want it bent up more. Use your inside. There you go. No, no, no. Use the other side of that. You're going the wrong way. Okay, you got to slow down. Don't allow it to slip. Okay, listen. You need, the whole thing is turning. You need the large screwdriver to put over here so it don't turn, okay? Get the large screwdriver. Close that good, please. You left something behind. Okay. Huh? You were. Son, okay. Is that better? Okay. Good. All right, let's do this one over here. Go ahead and take those off. Okay. We got to bend that back into proper shape. And then we'll put those screws on. Take your big bolts. Hold up. Get your big bolts and put them up here, okay? Put everything together. Look at what comes from the back. That comes from the back. The short ones come from the back. Remember that, all right? The short ones come from where? Right. All right, here we go. Okay. Out.